CeraVe Baby Cream 5-ounce Gentle Moisturizing by CeraVe is one of the best sellers among baby diaper creams products. For baby's delicate skin, moisturizes, protects, and maintains baby's delicate skin with essential ceramides and vitamins. Essential ceramides, formulated with 3 essential ceramides, 1, 3, 6 that help restore and maintain its natural protective barrier. All-day hydration, provides 24-hour hydration and helps restore the protective skin barrier with 3 essential ceramides, 1, 3, 6 No nasties, paraben, phthalates and fragrance-free. New seal of acceptance, accepted by the National Eczema Association. CeraVe Baby Moisturizing Cream moisturizes, protects, and maintains baby's delicate skin. All CeraVe products contain the vital ceramides healthy skin needs to help restore and maintain its natural protective barrier. This formula is excellent for baby skincare, chapped and irritated hands, dry skin, itchy skin,